You probably noticed the hype around AI animated videos and characters, which parody famous TV shows or movies such as Harry Potter or Breaking Bad. In this video, I will show you how to create such videos for free, so you can do them as well. We will create the meme Harry Spotter. You will find all the links for the software I use in the description, as well as other tutorials on my channel on how to use them. Leave a like and subscribe to support the channel. Go to ChatGPT and ask for a list of characters. Type, give me the 10 most popular Harry Potter characters, just the names. I came up with a prompt which you can copy and paste below. Give them gym bro keywords and other related adjectives to the Harry Potter characters, which would make them look muscular, huge, jacked, and like a bodybuilder. Separate each attribute by a comma and add at the end in a gym R16:9Q2V5. Now go to an AI image generator. You can use MidJourney if you have the subscription. If not, go on Leonardo AI and use their free software. You can try many different styles over there. Check my tutorial about Leonardo if you want to use it. I put some ideas, which I use for MidJourney and Leonardo, in the description. Now insert each character name and their description. Obviously, you can be creative and try other words for better images. As you can see, I also tried many different options. Generated all the pictures. We go back to ChatGPT and ask him to rewrite famous Harry Potter sayings in a gym bro style and give me an example for the characters listed. Now we can copy the sayings and go to a text-to-speech website. I will go to Play.H since I really like their selection of voices. I made a tutorial on how to use the software as well. You can simply paste all the saying you like and change the voice for each quote. You can listen to the generated audio before downloading it. Now download the MP3 and go to did.com to animate our characters. You create a free account. Click on Create a Video and upload the image and insert the audio for each scene you would like to have spoken. But you probably noticed that in some scenes of these videos the characters don't say anything, they rather just move their face. We can do this by going to Type Your Script and click on Add Pause. Each pause equals 0.5 seconds, so I will add 6 to have a video of 3 seconds. Create all your videos and download each of them. Now for the sound, I created a free account on epidemicsounds.com and search for hardstyle music. I created a playlist which you can find in the description with multiple songs you can use. Now we go to our editor program. I will use CapCut since it is free and has all the tools we need. Insert all the videos and add the music. Don't forget to add transitions and zooms to make it smooth. You can do this by setting keyframes at the beginning of the clip and at the end. The final result will look like this.
Now I'm in the House of Games.
If you have other ideas on how to improve the process, please leave a comment so we can all benefit from it. See you in the next one.